To send a Venmo security code, you need to understand the basics of the Venmo platform and its security features. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money. The security code is a two-factor authentication method used to verify the identity of the user. First, you need to have a Venmo account and be logged in to access the security code feature. Once you are logged in, you can navigate to the settings menu where you will find the security options. In the security options, you will find the two-factor authentication setting, which includes the option to generate a security code. This code is sent to the phone number or email associated with your Venmo account and is used to verify your identity when you log in or make a transaction. To send a Venmo security code, you need to have the recipient's phone number or email address. You can then enter this information into the Venmo app and request a security code to be sent to the recipient. The recipient will then receive a text message or email with the security code, which they can use to verify their identity. It is essential to keep the security code confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your Venmo account. Best practices for using Venmo security codes include keeping your account information up to date and being cautious when sharing your security code with others. You should also use a unique and strong password for your Venmo account and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely send a Venmo security code and protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember to always keep your account information confidential and be cautious when sharing your security code with others.